There are three main roads that converge on Banaue. As you enter town, there are buildings all along the way, but there are also a lot of open areas, most of which are forested or terraced for rice farming. Two of the roads come in from higher elevations and one from a lower one. Here, we're approaching from the lower road. Nearing town, the buildings get closer and closer to one another. Downtown Banaue is built along a precipice, at the base of which there's a river that runs parallel to what we will call Main Street. By the time you reach town center, the buildings are literally butting up against each other, and Main Street is very narrow. One high road leaves at a sharp and steep curve. It also runs parallel on the other side of Main Street from the river. Figuratively speaking, Poblacion, as downtown is called, is the second step of two tall steps which end at the river. The third road comes into town at a perpendicular angle to Main Street. You can't really figure any of this out at first because of all the buildings.
Lakas. Ben, umihit. Doon galing yung mga tubig. Tari. Tari. Tari dito. Tari. Ay, tama kami dyan. Pagkimain niya na natin. Naku, may lumabas naman dito sa bahay ni Sir P.O.